हेलो एवरीवन, मेरा नाम सचिन राठौड़, यू आर वाचिंग एक्शन एकेडमी। सो फ्रेंड्स, आज की वीडियो में मैं फिर से लेकर आया हूँ आप लोगों के लिए लिसनिंग प्लस रीडिंग की प्रैक्टिस। आज की वीडियो में मैं पहले आप लोगों को एक पैराग्राफ पढ़कर सुनाऊंगा, तो आपको लिसनिंग की प्रैक्टिस करना है, सुनना है ध्यान से, वर्ड टू वर्ड सुनना है, एंड देन ये पैराग्राफ फिर से एक बार चलेगा तो आपको इसको खुद जोर से रीड करना है, जिससे आपकी रीडिंग की प्रैक्टिस होगी। सो फ्रेंड्स, विदाउट डिले चलिए इस वीडियो को फटाफट स्टार्ट करते हैं। मेनी पीपल वेट फॉर द परफेक्ट मोमेंट, दे वेट फॉर द राइट टाइम, द राइट स्किल्स, the right confidence. But here's the truth, the perfect moment doesn't exist. If you keep waiting to feel 100% ready, you might wait forever. Success doesn't come to those who wait, it comes to those who take the first step, even if they're scared, even if they're unsure. The journey shapes you, the action builds you. When you start before you are ready, you allow yourself to grow. You learn on the way. You improve with every step. No one begins as an expert. Every master was once a beginner who dared to begin. Think of all the ideas you have had, the dreams you have dreamed, but never started. What stopped you? Fear, doubt, the thought that you are not good enough. Let go of the fear of imperfection. No one gets it perfect the first time, and no one needs to. Start small, but start. Speak even if your voice shakes. Try even if you might fail, because failure teaches more than fear ever will. You already have what it takes: courage, potential, and a reason. And that's enough to begin. Remember, you don't need to be great to start, but you do need to start to become great. So stop waiting, stop overthinking, take the leap, start the work. Your future self is cheering for you, loud and proud. Because everything you have ever wanted begins the moment you decide to begin.